So the first step to swap an air filter on these Can-Ams is to get the seat out of the way. There ought to be a tab back here that you just pop up. Once it's up, the seat comes up and out of the way. So with the seat out of the way, you got access to your battery, but more importantly, our air filter's under here. So we'll pop these two and these two in the front. You can see the grommet it pops out of there in the front. And then there's one on each side that pop out. These two long pieces got to get over that shifter. And it's out of the way. There's our air box. Just a little counterclockwise turn. Pop right out. And there's our old filter. Glad we're doing that. Make sure our new one's the same. Sure appears to be. I want to clean that out as best we can. There's a little bit of residue. Suggest we go ahead and oil it up. This air filter wood. I'll double check that the service manual for this bike suggests we do this, but since the directions for the filter suggested, I figured we might as well give her a nice even coating inside and out. Alright, she's ready to go in. So this is how the old one came out, with the fatter hole going into the big hole in there, and it makes sense, it's about the same size. Our new one will go in the same sort of way, with the big hole going in and this interfacing with our cover here. Just stick her in there. Oh yeah, you can kind of feel it snap into place. Then you line this up. Here's a happy spot. You got to kind of spin to the happy zone. Those tabs there. Yep. So you find that happy spot where the grooves go in, and then just a little eighth of a turn to the right, you feel it lock into place. And there's really 4 targets we're shooting for on this piece. These 2 here in the back, 1, 2, and then these on the sides. It helps if it's in neutral and the bars are straight, I find. So at this point, I usually just go ahead and get these 2 in the back and slide this down one side at a time. That one went in. Put that one in. Flip these 2 in the front. That's good. Now, if you found any of this information helpful, do me a quick favor and give the video a thumbs up. Slap this seat back on. I'd like to welcome you if you're new to the channel. I'm Danny with Escape Powersports. I really want to thank y'all for watching, and as always, we'll see y'all on the trails.